This is a food crazy quick shot video. I will give you several tips on how to fry bacon bits. First, you want to put your bacon in the freezer for around 15 minutes. Second is a very sharp knife. Cut into small pieces. Take a large size frying pan and add a half a cup of water. Turn burner on high. Add bacon. While it's heating up, you're going to continuously stir this and work this. This will break this apart evenly as the water starts to boil. The water will evaporate, you'll continue to stir, but you'll stir less as it goes along, and then you're going to wait for it to froth, and that is the sign that it is done. As you can see, I'm continuously breaking this apart while it fries on high. Alright, so you can see them frothing. That means they're basically done. Your choice to take them off when you want. Some people like to get a little bit more rare. I'm going to do these more. I'm going to crisp them up, take them off a few minutes before they're at the point where you want them done, because they will cook more after they're off. So this is a point where I like to take them off. They're definitely frothing a lot. You can tell they're getting close to crispy. But like I say, they're going to do a few minutes after I take them off. So I'm going to strain these off. And there you have it. Hit subscribe. Nicely done bacon bits. Great for on top of a lot of different foods. Have a good day.